Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on animations and shots on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and now click shot settings, and click animations, and here you'll find it, animations and shots. Click on it, and this will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on animations and shots, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.